Hello. Cellphone. Naay camera na po digital. Video na ni Pastor.
Video?
Pastor nag-mensa.
Nasa YouTube lugar na yun.
Pwede na siya ibutang.
YouTube na to, kaya itong tawagon si LD nga, butang na siya sa YouTube.
Oh. Lagi Pastor, ikaw
Kaya activities na to din sa Matangad.
Oo. Sis, dito gan si Saling. Where is it? Where is it? On na siya, on na. Dili sa sil. Hello. Kumusta man mo? Ayo ako ray hawid.
Actually,
Padulong, isulti mo amat padulong.
Padulong Miss.
We're going English ni yung paniman ang Amerikano sa
We're
YouTube.
going to the Manila Zoo.
going to Naawan.
We're going to Naawan.
Kaya mga
What's the reason we'll be going to Naawan?
The evangelist.
Also to evangelist period.
Evangelist people.
Church there. To plant church there.
Plant the church.
To plant.
Bawal magbisaya, start na mag-English.
Okay, start ang English kada sa YouTube ni mo padulong.
Matangad atong church plant.
Where, Pastor?
Matangad.
Okay, Matangad. Sinitaw?
Near Initaw.
Near Initaw is our place where we will be having our church planting.
Char.
Okay, kamo na sad. Unsa man yung ikasulti? Unsa man?
I'm speechless.
Carlo, English. What would be your role there?
I think I'm going to. I have no idea about that.
Ikaw, okay, Leoton. We will be there at Naawan, at Matangad.
Hindi ba, video na.
What? Unsa man imong ma-help?
Matangad
Church planting.
to build a church.
To build a material. Gabi nga build yun ba?
Unsa man imong Lord there?
Hi, Pastor.
Ama ko diya.
Wala.
Ana, ito na makita na, Pastor. Ito yung Pastor.
Mag-church planting will be
This is Pastor Manny. Together with me now, we are going to Matangad. Is the young people of our local church at Hillside, Lower Balulang. We are there to plant church at Matangad. Right after our lunch, the young people will be going house to house to invite people to attend Bible study at Matangad. Then right after, we will be going to Naawan to have our overnight prayer meeting and revival night with these young people. And tomorrow early morning, God willing, we will be proceeding to one of the swimming pool at Naawan to enjoy and relax the coldness of the coldness of the swimming pool. As of this time, together also is Nancy, who is now the cameraman, and with my beloved wife, Honey, is at besides me.
Char. Smells at me.
He will be taking in charge in the service tonight with Pastor Jose Rojas, our speaker, who would encourage our young people regarding life, especially regarding love, courtship, and marriage. I hope these young people will be
Marriage.
guided properly before they will have some sweetheart, so as also that the name of Jesus will be glorified in their lives, and more so they will be successful in their career and studies. So for now, this is all. Hope there are more upon our arrival at Matangad.
Tingog mo sa luyo.
Hello.
Tanawa ko nun, si play ko nun,